Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm looking at the Luxe luxury toy hauler, 16-foot garage with a side patio. We're going to do a quick walkthrough, see the progress of this unit. Amazing things are happening. We have real hardwood, maple hardwood. This is in the Brazilian interior. As you can see, this is the living area. We'll walk down in here into the living area. There's going to be an L-shaped couch here that faces the beautiful entertainment center. It's got a lot of storage in that entertainment center. We're going to be putting a fireplace. We have an upgraded fireplace with a beautiful stone backsplash. That's a real stone backsplash, just like you would have in your home. This is also a glass backsplash here around in the kitchen area. Lots of counter space, lots of storage, and a very nice large living area that we have here. All LG appliances, LG microwave, LG refrigerator. Beautiful large dinette area there is going to go in there. We've got some new flooring here. Just beautiful, a bright light flooring. This is actually a Shaw individually laid Shaw tile for your flooring. We do that for a number of reasons. It's a more durable, and if it happens to get damaged, you don't have to peel off the whole floor. You can remove just a piece and put a new piece in there. We're going to go into the garage. This is where you would enter the garage area. You've got a large sliding door there that goes out into the side patio. Entertainment center out there so you can entertain. It expands your outdoor living area. Beautiful. This is an electric 5,000-pound ramp door. We got a nice little half bath back here with another, it's got a glass backsplash on that. Here's an entertainment system. It's got a very large subwoofer up there. You can really pump out the jams out here in this garage. There's another TV, little workspace over there with an actual breaker box for you. Gonna quickly walk through here again, see the living area. Lots of space in here. Beautiful, just beautiful. We're gonna go upstairs into the bedroom and bathroom area. This has a master bath that is accessible in the hallway. Nice backsplash. Counter space, storage underneath, storage up above in the medicine cabinet. Got a one-piece shower. This is an actual tub shower. Very nice for a toy hauler. Go in here to the bedroom area. Beautiful hardwood cabinetry. Right straight ahead there, that's where your washer and dryer prep is. Also, we've got a slide-out TV, pops right out here. Really nice and convenient. Takes advantage of the space that we have back here. Nice counter space. A huge bank of drawers there in the bedroom area. This is actually an exit window that you can use just in case you need to get out quick. Hopefully that never happens. Beautiful area, lots of storage back here. King size bed will be going into here. We've got a really nice upgraded headboard back there. This is another slide out. So hey, give us a call. Ask us about our toy hauler with a 16-foot garage and the side patio. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com. You have a wonderful holiday season.